She ain't got no gas in her.
I think this is gas. Oh yeah, it was gas.
Starting with this video, we are going to be doing a tool giveaway with each one of our vlogs. Gabe is getting ready to load a 24 by 24 class frame, and it is shipping down to Virginia. It's going to be a barn for one of our past students who didn't have time to cut his own frame, so he's going to put it up this spring.
Oh. No, I was doing that owl impersonation that's supposed to scare the pigeons away.
Are you a full-size owl or one of those little owls like inside?
I'm just a baby owl. It is. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful. What a freaking beautiful. Did I do one in the center too?
What are you doing?
I'm starting the fire. Uh-oh.
Good morning!
Hey, Gabe.
This guy, huh?
Oh, I had to talk to you.
Is it about how your fires are never hot when I get here?
I just got here, bro. I literally just got here, bro. But if you go like this, you get like a Superman logo, right?
Mitchell, you're being stupid.
He loves me.
Brace for impact.
Classic. Alright, that's good enough.
Right now we're working on the king post. So we got Junior who's working on the struts, and then Mitchell who's working on the principal rafters. So these all kind of come together as one, right? You got your rafters, your principal rafters. I'm working on the king post, and Junior's working on the struts.
So I'm working on the struts for the king post truss. So I think there's 10 in this house. So right now I'm just laying them out, and those struts run, I'd be drawing with my hands, like this from the principal rafter, which runs here down to the bottom cord that runs across the bottom.
These things are so heavy.
How much?
Well, last
What's
time
your
I
guess?
did this, I got like made fun of.
For giving a stupid answer?
Yeah. I said 200 pounds, and then the screen was like 100 maybe. Like, damn. Like, calling me out like that. I want to say these are around 200, 250 pounds. Like, because they're so full of water.
These posts have a lot of work that is done to them from start to finish, but as you get to the end, it goes from a 2 or 3 person job really to a 1 person job. When we get to a point where 3 men turns into 1 man, then I need to be able to quickly and efficiently move them onto another project, which really is just, I gotta make sure that I move wood in with the forklift, keep track of what's next so that everyone can keep working at breakneck speed.
Oh, that feels good.
See if I can get this with this little axe.
Oh, one more.
They're gonna make fun of you in the comments for easel.
Oh, I know, with the big one right there. There we go.
A couple of weeks ago, Mike and I went to Tennessee. We're filming a series called Urge to Build, and we're basically gonna go visit students, past students, online or in person, that have built things. Doesn't have to be a house, it can be a barn, workshop, whatever it is, and record them, tell their story. It'll basically be like a mini documentary about them. So it's really to celebrate what they've built. And the first one was in Tennessee with this guy named Russ, and I'm just going through the footage right now of the first rough draft, and it's pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited for all you guys to see it.
This is going to seriously raise the dust situation in that entire building.
I mean, not using power tools helps a lot though, right?
There's no way we're not using power tools.
I mean, not to the level that you guys use them in the shop though.
You're right.
It's for like demos and once every, like 6 times a year. I mean, noise,
There's
we have to
obviously
solve
that.
noise,
Which,
which is solvable.
not only that, but we already had to solve noise.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah.
new.
Yeah.
That's been an issue since the beginning. It would be nice to have two things. One, sound deadening, and two, for some people, the ability to use a microphone for some of that talking.
Yeah. I kind of laid this out with the idea, like maybe would there be a chalkboard here, and like this might be a little gathering spot for the, for being out in the shop. But we could set up a very simple PA system, 1 or 2 speakers and a wireless microphone.
What was the solution?
We need to have another meeting.
I think what we got out of this meeting is we need to schedule.
And UPS has already picked up, so. This is just yesterday.
Mondays are typically very busy for us. People have shopped all weekend. And of course, yesterday the post office was closed. So, we have this big pile of things ready to go out from yesterday. Just got a shipment of bar chisels in, so those are flying out of here. As soon as we get them in, they like to fly out of here. These honing guides are incredibly hard to keep in stock, and we package them as part of our sharpening kit, as well as we sell them individually, and they're included in the student toolkits. And we even take notes for people that lose their white hats in the store. I just sent Blueberry a picture of this. This poor fellow could not find his hat last week, and I just located it on top of the skill saws. So gave him a call and he'll be happy. And yes, and this book right here we rely on so much. All these nice notes, people that are interested in class openings if they come up, and just tools. We received a shipment of the Robert Sorby chisels last week. We had several people waiting for those, so we were happy to be able to call them and tell them that they were in stock, and some have already been in to get their purchases.
This stuff all belongs to you guys down the back.
Cool, I owe you some stuff. So when they take that stuff, when they bring that stuff, they'll take that stuff. I do meetings in the morning, and then I do lunch till 3, and then sort of clean up, pack up, and go home. I wear high vis, and I carry around, it doesn't have to be anything specific, just anything that looks like you could write on it.
Right.
Seems like I must be doing something then.
Where are you going? You're like making you're painting into a corner.
Getting my lunch from my truck.
Oh, is it lunchtime?
Because you're not taking that from me.
Yeah, we've got a couple of other projects going on. This one just came in Islesboro, 32 by 40. This is a design only project that we're working on with this guy. It is going to be his airplane hangar and garage. Another design only project that we've got going on for a couple pretty local to here. This is a design build that we're doing. We're partnering with a architecture firm in New York. This is a design only. This is a monitor style barn that is going up in California, in Sonoma. Yeah, so right now I'm putting together a lumber list for a client that we've been working with for a little bit. A couple of cool things about it, obviously the dustpan dormers, longer one on one side and shorter on the other, but then they've also got mountain views all to the south. And so the south side we really opened up to maximize sliding door entry space and just window space.
Nice.
It's gonna be really cool.
With that tread depth a little bit less, it would fit into a shallower stringer. Basically, we just did some bending moment calculations for both the tread of the staircase and the stringer of the staircase. And the rules for loading are a little bit weird for stairs, are different than a typical beam. So we basically just opened up our spreadsheet and sort of tricked the spreadsheet into a point load in the middle, factored up that load and figured out what the minimum size is. Got a 3x12. And then the stringer is a glue lamb, and it's going to get notched so we don't have the full cross section of the stringer. So we drew the actual cross section of the stringer after the stringer is notched, and then used our program to tell us what the section modulus and moment of inertia are after the notching, to make sure that it's strong enough and it also meets deflection criteria for the building code.
I worked at a company prior to this, actually, a startup that was right down the road. I just think it's incredible how, as a 50-year-old company, Shelter Institute really describes itself as a startup. And at first I was really trying to define exactly what that meant, but as I have gotten to know them, one of their primary tenets is to be a doer. Like, yes, that is exactly sort of what describes a startup, just for everybody to be sort of ready to be hands-on, to be working towards a common mission, and to just pitch in and do incredible things. I think the biggest effort right now is the shelter design build arm. The footprint and the potential is really limitless.
Yo.
Hey, so what's the protocol for this giveaway?
Like and comment on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our email list in the description below. Here, I'll just come in real quick. She should say, actually, we'll pick the winner 7 days after the video is posted. So then there's
people time.
To give people time.
Starting with this video, we are going to be doing a tool giveaway with each one of our vlogs. And this week we're going to do the Z-Saw 300. And it's coming with a crosscut blade and a rip blade so that you can easily do your dovetails and mortise and tenons with it. If you want this saw, you'll need to like this video and comment on it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our email list using the description below. And we will pick a winner within 7 days of the launch of this video.